Have you ever wanted to generate your own AI model and monetize it? Well, today we're actually going to be talking about a platform that skips all of the heavy prompting and all of this trash that you see online and actually just gets straight to the point, creates this AI influencer for you so you can start making content and start monetizing it. So without further ado, let's dive into this. So this is Savro, and Savro basically claims to be the easiest way to generate AI influencers. And honestly, guys, I completely agree. Look at the realism of all of these AI generated models, in which, yes, we could use to start many different channels, IG pages, or even TikTok accounts using these models. But it's not like you just choose an avatar. This platform will actually help you build AI influencers from scratch and generate content with them instantly. You get full creative freedom, full ownership, and zero complexity behind this because it is just super easy to do. In fact, many of the biggest influencer accounts run from Savro. They get the brand deals, they get exclusive content sales, and they can monetize on FanView to turn one consistent work session into steady recurring income. Here we are in the dashboard for Savro, and creating an AI influencer is super easy. In fact, let's just do it now. All we got to do is click create new influencer, then we will have a short form to fill out. This will basically determine what your influencer looks like so you can tailor it to the certain demographic that you're going for. So if we wanted someone that's older, appealing to the older ages, then we could choose a higher age here, or maybe someone that's younger, like a fitness model, we could go down to 25 years of age. We can choose the name here, ethnicity, hair color, chest size, and eye color, as well as hairstyle as well here. And a bonus is you can also choose the rear size as well. And once we have selected and filled all of this out, like you can see I've done, we can also add a custom prompt as well to tweak this even further. But I'm happy with this. Let's press continue. Now, every asset in this is generated completely from scratch with no face swaps. So there's going to be no copyright issues or DMCA takedowns with any of your content. As well as that, Savro is the only platform that can generate fully explicit NSFW scenes, unlocking a very lucrative niche that you are all aware of. Other competitors will often block this, but Savro do not block this, opening the door to this industry for a lot of people. Now our influencer's being created. Now we can choose preferred face here for our model. Once we're happy with that, we can scroll down and press the complete influencer button, and then the AI is going to train itself to essentially generate content with this model. So what we can do is press the generate content button, and then we can generate an image or a video if we have Pro. Let's generate an image here to see how easy it is. Here we have the quick gen and easy gen options. Let's go with the quick gen, and then yes, you can see here we have a bunch of templates to choose from. This could be a car selfie, a gym selfie, or a selfie in the bedroom, but we can pick any of these and it's going to give us pretty consistent results. Let's go ahead and generate a professional photo here, and we can choose whether it's portrait, square, or landscape, and we can also see if it's going to be modest or suggestive. As well as that, we can generate up to 4 images at once to decide which one is better. But once we're happy, let's just press generate. Now, if we go to our gallery, we can see the content that is finished and the run section, which is where the image will be generating. Now, it's important to note there is a cost to this, but it is super cheap when you're comparing this to actually hiring your own model and doing it that way. That normally costs you thousands of dollars per photo shoot. So having something like this, where yes, you can get 2,000 credits per month at only $9. And from this, you can generate 200 images, 33 videos, or actually have 20 influencers here. So monetizing even 3 or 4 of these influencers you create could easily make your money back from this $9 per month. Now, they do also have an affiliate program in which, yes, you get 40% commission for life on every purchase made by customers you refer. So if you do have a following already, this could definitely be an avenue for you to pursue. Now our images have finished generating, so let's click one of these. We can see, yes, this looks fantastic. It's definitely using our model's face. And from that point, we can even generate a video or just download download this in high quality. Personally, I think this is great and would get tons of likes on Instagram. So this is a great example of how good this platform actually is. Now they also have this easy gen image generator, which is really cool. All we got to do is click this button, and then yes, we can basically select our influencer that we made earlier, and then we can choose a bunch of different things such as the position. We can select this setting here in which yes, we can pick basically anything from the beach or the office like we've done here. And then we have the outfit, which we can choose formal for this case. Now we can also change the influencer default here, which would be the hair color and the orientation of the image that we want. So that could be portrait, square, or landscape. Then we have the expression. We could do happy, annoyed, seductive if we want, but let's just pick happy for this example. Then we have the outfit modifier where we could do modest or tight. Let's go modest. And the hairstyle we can also change as well depending on the image, but let's leave that as the influencer default. It also has the amateur style option. Once we're happy, we can just press the generate button, and then it's going to generate this image for us. And then after a short amount of time, you can see it's generated this standing model, which is definitely our model here in a formal attire, and yeah, smiling as we suggested. So here we have another image we've generated, and what we're going to do is generate a video out of this image, and this is super easy to do. So what we're going to do is put in a video prompt here. So what we have here for our prompt, and then we can change the duration to 5 seconds, and even the resolution if we want to as well. But once we're happy, we press generate video and let it render. And as you can see, it has finished the video, and this looks incredibly realistic. And I think that is fantastic. We could put this on Instagram right now, and I'm sure it would get tons of engagement. So that is Savro. Definitely check it out in the description, guys. As you can see today, we created our own AI model. We could generate tons of images and tons of engagement on social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram, just using this like many other people do. So without further ado, that's going to be it from me. Have a fantastic day. I will see you in the next one.